Riddick adventures.
Are you ready to have fun at the waterfall? Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Let's have fun at this beautiful waterfall.
Yeah!
Woohoo! We're at a beautiful water place today called Brick Mill. What you gonna do? Woohoo! Are you gonna throw a rock? Lots of rocks in here. Be careful. Throw them at the waterfall. Hey-ya! Good job. Now you're making the water go more. See? When we move the rocks, it makes the water go faster. Oh, that's a huge one. Whoa. Can your muscles do it? Woohoo! Show me them muscles. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, do this little trail with your bike coming out and into the water. This is cool. Oh, you're gonna do the big rock first? Okay. Hurry, throw it, big muscles. Good job. That's a cool little trail right there. Turn around and come back. No, don't be going down in there. We don't know what's in here.
It's nothing.
Well, we don't know. Could be.
Mommy, look.
What?
That red thing.
That's a brick.
I can hold that.
No, we're not gonna get that.
This is a nice little trail.
That is a nice little trail.
I'm probably full
Full send.
I don't know.
Full send. Until you hit a rock. Move the rock. Throw it. Good job. Hey, send to the beach. Ready, go to the beach. Watch for snakes. Come this way. You making tracks in the sand? Watch out, that's so deep.
I'm trying to front tire.
Okay, do the front tire. Whoa.
This is the entire foot.
That is, you can't even see the tire.
The entire tire.
Do you think you could jump off that waterfall?
Huh?
Do Do you think you could jump off that waterfall? Do a full send off that waterfall. That's too dangerous, huh? No, you could do it. What? Look how big that waterfall is. You're gonna full send off the top of that waterfall. Way up there.
And bump my head.
Yeah, probably. Would you know how to swim when you got to the bottom? Oh, okay.
I want to show you right now.
No. We don't want to swim. It's too cold.
I want to swim.
Way too cold. It rained today, so the rain made it more colder today.
I'm in a board.
Yep.
Look.
Where are you going? Full send.
I go low gear.
Oh, low gear? That's probably a good idea. Your butt seat's about to be in there. You went low. Your butt's about to be wet in there.
Ah!
Ah! His boot fell apart. Here, hit it here.
There's two.
Yeah, you got two now. It fell out. These rain boots keep falling apart. Whoa. All right, come this way.
Down in it.
Your butt's wet now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Woohoo!
Oh,
Oh! Was that cold?
I went on my jumper.
I bet that was cold on your private part. Hey, don't be trying to get me wet. Here you go, back it up, beep beep. One more send, let's go. Woohoo! Hey, go up there and dump your boots out. It's full of water, I see them sloshing. You got so much water in your boots. You put more water on them now. Follow Reagan.
Come here.
I'm coming.
This is out.
Ooh, that's cold. Hold my hand. Woo.
How do you get that ball, Reagan?
No, no.
I just done wrong. Reagan!
What?
Give my ball.
No, Reagan, don't make Reagan fall.
No, there's ball.
Don't fall, bruh. Be careful. Is it cold?
I'm trying to.
It's very, we gotta go slow. Is it cold?
Reagan, hold my hand. Not too big.
It is too deep. Okay, let's go.
hold it.
All right, right there, let me do Reagan's picture. Ah, he wants to feel the soap.
That's doing.
Pants are weighting you down.
Yeah, it's weighing you down. Your pants are too wet, and your shoes. That's pretty, huh? Isn't that pretty waterfall? You got so close, you touched its bubbles. All right, let's go back. He finally got the ball.
There you go.
Look at your boots when you walk. Walk.
I'm going in there again.
Go for it.
I want to stay in here.
Okay. Y'all go this way. There you go. Be careful. Woohoo! You look, you're almost inside of there.
I don't know why that's what I feel like I'm doing right now. If it all not.
Woohoo! All right, go that way because there's a rock this way.
Holy shit.
Well, go forward. Go forward. There you go. Are you gonna touch the bubbles? There you go. Turn around, I'll get your picture. Oh yeah. You're almost touching the waterfall. Is it cold? Oh, that's cold. That's so cool. Good job, Riddick. All right, let's go. It's so cold. It's so deep. Come on, Grandpa. Oh, my Lord, you're already swimming. Woo! Your boots. Hi-ya!
Hand me that and I'll throw it over there and we'll watch it.
He's gonna throw it way over there.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Whoa, that was big.
Hold on. I got one.
I'm behind.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
You mind?
Hey,
Sure, do it. You and Ray can do it together and do a big splash.
ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Whoa.
You do it though. Yeah, the same as mine.
Okay, you do it. Whoa. All right, guys, well, we're going to have more fun at the waterfall. We'll see you later. Bye.